Good afternoon, crafty crew. Coming back to you guys with another product review. Whoop whoop. These are the Veyes Beauty Dreamy Sets lashes, and it also comes with the glue and the sealant, as well as it comes with the eyelash tweezers. So let's get it going, guys. Okay, y'all, and we're back. So I have one eye completed. So now we're going to start the tutorial on the second eye that I showed you guys. I actually double stacked in this particular time, so it's going to take me a little longer to do my lashes, but I actually had the time to do a double stack. I double stacked because when I originally did the base layer, there was a little bit of, well, there's a couple sections in the lash that I saw like a little gap, so I went to cover those gaps. That's exactly why I went ahead and did a double stack this time. So a little bit different than what I normally do, guys. Right now, you just see me tapping on the lash glue. I always like to put the lash glue on my lashes first. Like I said in previous videos, you guys, you do not have to do the full lash. You could do sections if you're still new. But I've been doing cluster lashes for a while, so that's just my method on how I do things. Giving a couple of waves to bring some air to that lash with the lash glue to kind of let it get tacky a little bit more. Now I'm putting on glue on my clusters. So this, I started off with the size of a 10 millimeter. I like to start in the inner corner and then work my way to the outer corner, you guys. So that's what I'm actually doing now. I'm taking each individual lash as I'm showing you guys and putting glue on those lash clusters. Now, again, this is the base layer, so I'm just starting off with the lashes. Okay, y'all, so that's what you see me doing now. Just putting the glue on the clusters. I like to put the glue on the clusters individually. I like to go ahead and put the glue on the clusters, all of them at the same time as far as with the base layer. So I start with the smallest lash and I work my way up to the bigger lash when I'm putting the glue on, guys. So you see me grab my mirror because you want to make sure when you put the cluster lashes on, you're looking down in a mirror. Then make sure that you're not putting the cluster lashes too close to your waterline or on your waterline. You want to put them above, a couple of millimeters above the waterline. So you see me putting the lashes on there. I started off with a 10, then I worked my way up to a 12, and then I did 2 14s and 2 16s. That's the lash mat for the base layer of lashes. So you see me putting those individual clusters on, you guys. So that's what I'm working on. And again, we're doing the base layer. Again, that base layer was 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 2 14 millimeters, and 2 16 millimeters. And this again is the Dreamy 12 set. And when you're putting the clusters on, they should just be able to grab on to that your natural lash, because that natural lash is tacky with the bond that you put on. And you see how easy I'm sticking them on. Don't worry if you guys mess up or you place the cluster lash where you don't want it. Just be careful, pick it back up and rearrange it, and you'll be good to go. So here I'm just showing you guys the difference between, well, I'm pitching them together a little bit. I don't like to move my fingers too much when I do that. I just pitch them together and then I blink my eyes a few times to get that unstuck from my finger. If you end up having to lift your finger, actually, you want to make sure that you take your time. Now, this is the difference between the double stack on my right side and a base layer on the left side. You can kind of see a little bit of the sections in between where there may be a little gap, and we're going to fix that here in a couple seconds. And that's just the difference between one row of lashes versus two. So now I'm working on the double stack method. For the double stack method, in between the little gaps, I put three 12 milliliter I keep saying milliliter, sorry y'all. Two 12 millimeter lashes. I put three of those in the gaps, and then I went back in with one 10 millimeter and put that in the very front to fill out those gaps. Me personally, I do not put glue on the row of lashes. I put glue on whatever lash cluster I'm going to put on my eye, and I just stick it on there. Because you got to think, guys, sometimes your lashes will already be a little bit tacky after you put the base layer on. So I just use that little bit of tackiness, and then I put the glue just on the cluster lash itself. Because a little goes a long way. I promise you guys, a little definitely goes a long way. And if you're still here watching the video, y'all, give me a like. The link to the product will be at the very bottom on the left hand side. You guys were right beside that yellow shopping cart or that orange shopping cart. Definitely pick you up a pair. Well, a set. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the lashes, the tweezers, and the glue, the bond, and the sealants. Now, you didn't see me put any of the seal on because I like to wait until a day or so to put the sealant on, you guys. I do want to mention, when you put these cluster lashes on, make sure you have already gotten in the shower for today, because I do not like to put any steam or any water or anything on the lashes for at least 12 to 48 hours, you guys. And you just see me pinching them together. And we are back, guys. This is the finished look. I gave a couple angles for the lash cleavage, I like to call it. Look at that curl. Oh my goodness, I love me a good curl. You cannot tell me it didn't look like I went to the salon and got it done, guys. Look at that. Even with the 2 rows of cluster lashes, you guys, I am loving it. It gives me that 3-dimensional look. Look at that lash cleavage. Again, you guys, I love these lashes. If you want these, make sure you click in the link at the bottom of the video and grab you a set, you guys. It's definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. Good afternoon, Crafty Crew. Hope you have a great weekend. Love you guys. Bye.